Okay. All right, so this is saying that the KPH to lock down A&E, that's the accident and emergency section of the hospital. If the virus surge emerges, staff at the KPH would have to shift their focus to exclusively deal with emergency cases in the event of a novel coronavirus surge at its doors. But senior medical officials at the country's busiest trauma center say they are confident that they have access to enough sufficient, they say, I don't know if that's the same, resources to treat with the virus should it hit local shores. The SMO at the Type A hospital, that's the senior medical officer, Dr. Natalie Wiley, said that workers started sensitization sessions 2 weeks ago to prepare them for any eventuality. She spoke of an isolation area in the emergency room, isolation rooms on the medical block, reviewing of the plan, which includes basic infection control procedures, so reviewing things like hygiene, hand hygiene, access to hand sanitizers, hand washing, looking at our stock in terms of N95 masks, gowns, regular surgical masks, gloves. She said all of that has been done. If it is that we have a surge, and for us we have defined surge as 10 suspected cases, then the way we function here at KPH will change. So we will shift our focus to just dealing with emergencies, and that is part of our plan as well.
Ministry has also sent out advisories.
Several.
About how do you, and again, as I say, it's the same basic thing.
Simple. Wash your hands.
Wash your hands when you clean them with soap and water. If you have an alcohol-based sanitizer, you can reach with soap and water. In the meantime, that's what you do. If you're going to cough or sneeze, please don't release it into the air.
Correct.
If you can have something to cover it,
put it in you.
In right here. And you know, those are the basics. Those are the basics. If we follow the basics, we're gonna be good.
Yeah.
And listen, if it's somebody else not following the basics, just touch them and say, hey, remember so and so and so. You might be saving yourself and saving others.
Correct.
So that's
correct.
cool.
Correct. Okay.